Hey so we're gonna go straight into this video, and this hair is from Ywigs hair, and they did send me their crochet needle as always because it's gonna be a crochet install. They also sent 3 packs of their pre-looped crochet boho locks, and this is what it looks like. Now this is in 22 inches and there are 24 pre-looped lock pieces in each pack. I had to count this just to be sure. And yeah, there are 24. Now, their boho locks have a synthetic base as well as some pieces of virgin human hair curls that you guys can see throughout the hair as well as on the tip of the hair as well, as you guys can see. So yeah, it's a mixture of a synthetic lock base and human hair, the curly human hair. So they also sent this for wrapping the locks, for wrapping the hair. I'm going to be showing you guys in a minute how I use this. So moving on to my lock braid pattern. Now, because these are already pre-looped, they do come pre-looped, you can crochet this, so you can decide to weave your hair all back and crochet this. However, I wanted to do like a mix of individual braids as well as, you know, braided all back. That way you guys can see the versatility on how to install and how you can install as well. So what I'm going to be doing is to just create individual braids at the beginning or at the front of my hairline, just so that way it looks more natural and it could be styled in different ways and it still looks natural. Like I spent hours doing this, whereby we spent less than an hour doing this. So yeah, it's effortless, it's minimal, it's seamless, and it's beginner friendly, and it's easy as well. So what I'm doing is just creating individual braids. I'm going to braid this down about 1 inch and then twist it all the way down. And guys, this doesn't take time, it is easy. I'm going to show you guys the step-by-step process. Now again, like I said, this is optional. You can decide to crochet this all through. However, I wanted to kind of do like a mix for anyone who wants to either do the individual like braided method or the crochet method. Either ways, I've got you. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to do this around the perimeter of my hairline. How I want to style this, I want to do like a center part, but also want the option to style this in the side part, and I'm going to show you guys what that looks like in a bit. But yeah, I'm going to go ahead to just create individual braids, and I'll let you guys watch. Okay, so this is what we are looking like right now. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side, and this is a complete look, right? So now that we've braided this and we're ready to start installing, I'm gonna take this and keep this, just pack this so that way it doesn't get in the way and we can start installing the locks. Now this is what we have going on. Now these locks are kind of natural looking but also very lightweight, right? It's also easy to install and it's good for any occasion, specifically for like a vacation, birthday, you name it. So what I'm going to be doing right now is to install this on the areas where I already created that braiding pattern. I want to take my time to do this so that way it looks natural and even. But yeah, crocheting is so easy. I have tons of resources on how to do this, but all you're doing is just looping the needle through your hair, hooking the pre-looped boho braids onto the hook, onto the latch, closing the latch, passing it through your hair and creating a knot. And basically that's what I'm doing right now. You see me in a minute, right? I'm going to close the latch, drag it through and loop the braids through it as well, and then create a knot. That's basically what you're going to be doing throughout the process, guys. There are tons of resources for beginners, but yeah, I'm going to show you how I do the individual ones right now. But I want you guys to see that yeah, it's pretty easy. I know we're looking crazy, but do bear with me. So for the individual parts, this is what I'm doing. I'm just putting the pre-looped braids through the needle, passing it through my hair, and also passing my hair through the roots of my hair, so that way we can start wrapping it and that way it looks flawless. I'm going to do this a couple of times so that you guys can see it visually. I am a visual learner, so I like to watch, and that's why I did not speed up this process, so that way you guys can see the entire thing. I'm using that extra hair to just wrap it through, and I'm trying to take my time while doing this. I'm making sure I do have enough to go around my hair as well as the boho locks as well. So just watch this process. And guys, this was my first time doing this. It was pretty much trial and error for me, but the fact that I did this and it came out looking good means that anyone else could do this. So yeah, just try one and then learn from it as you go. So I'm just wrapping it round. I tried not to speed up this process so you guys can see what I'm doing in real time. And then like as soon as I did the first and second one, I became a pro at it. And I just started going, and this is what it looks like. Tell me it doesn't look like I just locked my hair. So I'm gonna keep on doing the same process over and over again. And like I said, this is easy, it's beginner friendly, and depending on how you want to install this, you can just do the crochet method, or you can do it like I'm doing it right now. But either ways, it's gonna turn out looking amazing. So I'm gonna let you guys just watch through this and I'll be back. so this right here is the last piece, and I'm just trying to make it look a little bit messy because that's where you see the real beauty of this hair, when it's a little bit messy. So this is what it's looking like. I'm gonna go ahead to just put on my makeup and we'll be back. Snap. Gorgeous. So what I want to do is to just style my edges. I want to style this. I want to sleek it down. I want it to look good. So next up, I'm going to go ahead to accessorize this hair. I'm going to be using some charms, some accessories as well, just to elevate the look. You can leave it bare, you can go crazy with it, but this is what the finished and final look looks like. It looks messy. It's giving me that lock look, and I love how it's looking. This is the final look. You can style this however you want. You can do a side part, you can do a center part. This is what it looks like. Like I said, you can do an all back, you can pack it all up like I'm doing right now, take it to the side. And yeah, this hair is from Ywigs. I'll leave all the links in the description box. This is how full it is. I did use 3 packs, but yeah, let me know what your thoughts are, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.